Okay, family, I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. Now, this affiliate marketing food for action moment is inspired by another business partner, and her name is Kari. And Kari is a awesome person. Now, I'm not going to jump straight into how awesome she is. I'm going to allow you guys to see from a post that she recently did. I want you to get a little insight as to her personally. And if you would like to connect with her, definitely feel free to reach out because she has a very interesting story to tell you guys. So let's get to this affiliate marketing food for action moment. So Kari starts out by saying, "Hey everyone, it's Kari here. I remember when I was overwhelmed by endless training videos, courses with 60, 70, even 80 modules that took months to get through. I'd spend tens of thousands of dollars on multiple programs over 4 years, thinking that more content meant better results. But I quickly learned that more isn't always better. I used to feel stuck, not knowing where to start or how to fit all the bonuses and freebies into my strategy. I thought I'd be up and running in a few days, but instead, I was inundated with so much information that my brain immediately shut down. I realized that I had unknowingly set myself up to fail, and it wasn't my fault. The truth is, the best programs I've been part of have been the ones that are short and simple. They get right to the point with easy, actionable steps anyone can follow. People often ask me for advice, and I always tell them, the bigger the course, the faster you need to run the other way. Facts. Unfortunately, it all comes down to three things: traffic, content value, and sales. Everything else is just fluff. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and remember, keep it simple and focused." Awesome. So there's a lot of helpful information packed into this message from my business partner, Kari. And she hit the nail on the head on a couple of different topics. Now, depending on where you are in your affiliate marketing or online journey, you could have run into a few of these roadblocks. For example, starting at the top, 60, 70, and even 80 modules that took months to get through. Let me ask you guys, are you currently part of a system that was supposed to be so simple? Maybe it's 3 steps or 5 steps or 1 step and then click a button and you're supposed to be instantly rich. But you find out that it's just a bunch of steps within the 3 steps, so to speak. So let's say 3 steps, and each step has 100 different trainings that you have to go through just to figure out that one particular skill. And then step 2 has another 50 or so different steps that you have to learn within that particular step in order to really figure out that particular skill. If you've been part of systems that seemingly drag you along for months and months and months, and you're constantly going through training after training and nothing's clicking, that can be frustrating. That can stop you on your journey, in your tracks. And that's part of the reason why I like to do affiliate marketing a little bit different. And I believe Kari likes to do things a little bit different also. And that's why she's able to start getting the results that she is getting in her business. But let's move on. Let's move into this message a little bit deeper. So she said she used to feel stuck, not knowing where to start or how to fit all the bonuses and freebies into my strategy. Once again, being stuck with a whole bunch of information, tools, video training, 60, 70, 80 modules. Now you have a bunch of bonuses. You have the $10,000, $20,000, $30,000+ worth of bonuses that you're getting for the low price of whatever it is that you purchased this system for. Now you have to figure all that stuff out. Where do you start? What do you do with this bonus? What do you do with that freebie? And as she says here, I thought I'd be up and running in a few days, but instead I was inundated with so much information that my brain immediately shut down. Now, this is the case for the majority of people. If you're doing any type of business or any type of activity whatsoever, if you come into it with the idea that, okay, it's going to be something simple, we're just going to be, let's say we're playing a game of catch. You understand the principles because it was just told to you that, hey, we're just going to go outside, we're going to play a game of catch. I'm going to throw you the ball, you're going to throw me the ball back. And then once when you get outside and the game turns into something else, now it turns into, we have to examine the ball itself. We have to find out the dimensions of the ball. We have to make sure that when we're throwing the ball, we're throwing it at a specific angle in order for it to go up to a certain height, crest, and then come back down so that it reaches the other person on the other side of the field, perfectly centered down the middle so that it lands in their hands smoothly. Now, if someone's trying to train you on a simple game of catch, and it's taken them 100 different steps in order for you guys to even start playing the game will never become fun. The game itself, once when you start getting into it, you're so focused on, am I doing this step right? Am I doing that step right? Am I throwing the ball at that perfect angle? Is it going to crest over? Is it going to land perfectly? Is this, is that, and everything else in between? That's how your online business can sometimes feel. And it doesn't really have to be like that, because we're talking really about a simple game of catch. If you throw the ball to me and I catch the ball, I should be able to throw the ball back to you and you catch the ball back. It shouldn't be too many complicated steps in that. But in some cases online, even with the best programs, as she stated here, the truth is the best programs I've been part of have been the ones that are short and simple. The best programs are the ones that are short and simple. Things that don't have all the fluff, all of the flash, and all of the expensive bonuses and things that you'll never really get a chance to get to, and more than likely you don't really need. So the fact is, most people are attracted to the flash. They're attracted to being able to get a lot for a little. People love the buffet mentality, paying a small price and being able to have access to a room full of options, knowing that the majority of the stuff in that buffet is something that you probably wouldn't eat and you wouldn't enjoy, but it's just nice knowing that you have access, right? Some of those things could actually make you sick. It can make you physically sick, and it can get you to the point where you want to actually stop doing what it is that you're doing. But there's a lot of content in here. There's a lot of value here. But the main valuable aspect to take away from it is this. Ultimately, it all comes down to three things. Three simple things. It's traffic, content value, and sales. If you can master those three things and keep it simple, you can be successful. And you can end up with a smile on your face, similar to this picture right here of Kari. And she looks like she's smiling. And I have a feeling why she's smiling in this picture is because she actually learned these three things: how to attract and gain traffic, how to create valuable content, and actually how to provide solutions to people who have specific problems, and those problems turns into sales for her because she's providing solutions to their problems. And as it states here, just to conclude, everything else is just fluff. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. I want to invite you guys also to connect with Kari so that you can hear the interesting story that I was able to, discuss with her on a recent call, where she told me about how she's taken the information here and the skills that she's been able to learn in order to, live a happier, more prosperous life in her online business, but also to double the income in her main business. Now, I tell you guys all the time, this online industry, or this thing that we call affiliate marketing, if you keep yourself in a specific box, you will stay there. But if you open your mind to the possibilities of being able to use the universal skills taught within the system, you can apply it to whatever you currently have going on or whatever you plan on creating in the future. And Kari actually applied the skills to something she already has going on, and it's something that I'm not going to ruin. I would encourage you to connect with her to find out what type of business and what type of service she actually has in the community of people that she serves. Now, it may be something that you definitely could be interested in, but it could be something also that you really don't want to think about too soon. So just make sure, reach out to her and you'll find out exactly what that's about. And also, if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing in the way I like to call affiliate marketing for people that want to have fun, creating businesses that they enjoy, connecting with like-minded people such as Kari, having fun, being able to live a lifestyle of true freedom, being able to earn an income from home, learn valuable skills that you can use in your daily life to create the world that you want. If you're interested in that, I want you guys to comment hustle. I'll send you a link to a training that's going to give you the basis of how you get started. And if you're willing to do what's necessary, learn the skills, learn these 3 things here, because it ultimately comes down to these 3 things here. If you're simply willing to learn how to master these things here, you can find your success. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
In a world filled with forgotten memories and lost souls, some flames refuse to die, clinging to the last whispers of those who have gone before.
Protected. He must never know.
Every life tells a story, and every story leaves a mark. But what if those marks were never meant to fade away?
Protected, or be cursed forever.